Hi everyone, we will see the steps to upgrade the Splunk. So currently I'm having the version 8.1.3 and I'm going to upgrade to 8.2 version. The procedure is simple. First we have to stop the Splunk and we have to take the backup of OPT's Splunk etc, where we will be having our indexes data and other configuration files, and we have to install the latest version of the Splunk, and we have to extract the backup whatever we have created it before the upgrade. Okay, and then we have to start the Splunk. So yeah, currently I'm in OPT Splunk bin folder. Currently I'm having version 8.1.3. If I go to Splunk UI, I'm having one index called retail and it is having some logs. First I will be stopping the Splunk. The Splunk is stopped. I can check the status by using this command. Currently the Splunk is not running. Now I have to take the backup of OPT Splunk etc folder. For that I will be issuing this command tar-cz vf file name Splunk underscore Now the backup is being created. Once the backup is created, the backup is created with this file name. So what I will be doing, right, I will be moving this backup to OPT folder where our Splunk will be installed. Now I will be installing the latest version of the Splunk. So using the wget, I will be installing the Splunk cd/opt. This is a place where I will be installing the Splunk. The Splunk is getting downloaded. Now I will be installing the Splunk. This is the latest version. I have downloaded the Splunk, right? Now what I will be doing, right, I will be Now the Splunk is downloaded. The version is 8.2.0. Now I will be extracting the backup. Now my backup is extracted. Now I will be installing the latest version of the Splunk. The Splunk is being extracted. Now I will be starting the Splunk. Now I will be currently I am in OPT Splunk bin. Now I will be starting the Splunk. Here I will be getting a message to perform the migration without previewing the configuration changes. I am clicking on Y. Now the migration will happen. Now the Splunk is starting. It will take a while to come up. Yeah. I am logging to the web console of Splunk. Yeah. In the earlier version, I was having an index with retail name and it is having that logs. Okay. Now once the upgrade is done also, I am getting the data. Now you can see later Splunk is upgraded to 8.2 version.